Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video again we want to take a look at the Cardano price, and as always we take a look at the Bitcoin price first, because you can see it here that Cardano sort of has not participated in that rally in the last few days. So we are at 285. We've actually dropped a little bit today, whereas Bitcoin has actually gone up, but no need to worry in my opinion at the moment. However, we obviously need to get above certain levels to make sure that we continue the Cardano rally. But let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin, and it was a bit annoying. Well, it's part of the game, isn't it? It dropped today. You can clearly see that on the 4-hour chart. If I go to the hourly chart, we can see more clearly what happened. We were talking this morning and I was saying, it looks like we're going to attempt another breakout soon. And actually that is exactly what happened, guys. That is exactly what happened. After I said we were going to attempt another breakout, there will be a breakout. We did that. You can clearly see that here. You can see how high we attempted to get to 52,200. Unfortunately, there was a strong rejection by sellers. So we actually dropped all the way down to 51,300. And then in the next candle, down to actually 51,000, which is now one of our support levels, I guess. What we can see, however, that down here, there was the buyers bought it up very quickly again. So we're actually now on our way up again. So that basically means two things for me. First of all, there are strong attempts to get through this 52,000 level. We just failed the attempt at the moment. However, it's nice to see that we have this horizontal support resistance line and that we're getting there again. Again, what we see here, very bullish actually. It was bought up immediately. We are in an uptrend anyway, so it was bought up immediately. This is a very bullish candle. This one is a very bullish one, because what you can see here, we attempted that breakdown basically down to 51,000, but the candle closed then at 51,370 roughly, or 51,400, and then it went up in the next candle. That is actually you could call it an engulfing candle, bullish momentum. So where the body of the green candle here engulfs the body of the red candle, that is bullish, and the next one was even bigger. And now we see another green candle here after these two small red candles. So you can actually see that this big green candle, these two small candles actually fit into the big green candle. That is bullish because it just means that the buyers are currently stronger than the sellers. And what you can see here, we have made, even though we attempted a breakout, so we want to get through there, which is good. The buyers are strong, even though the sellers were stronger here. But then down here, the buyers bought it up. And now we see again, we are just making another higher low again. So what will probably happen, if that continues, we will get here, make another higher low, maybe attempt another breakout. So that is what is typically happening. It looks still for me like a bull flag, because we attempted that breakout. It just sometimes happens that we obviously don't get there, but you can more clearly see that actually on the 30-minute chart what exactly happened. There you can see it in that candle. We attempted a breakout, broke down, and then we found support here at the 50 period moving average on the 30-minute chart, and now we are sort of going up again, make higher lows. So we are on our way again back to 52,000. For me, that looks bullish. That is certainly bullish for me, and I expect another breakout in the not too distant future. So it could even be today or tomorrow, certainly this week, I would say personally. Now let's go to Cardano, because Cardano unfortunately didn't really participate sort of in that rally. We've seen the highs back here, whereas Bitcoin has actually made a new local high here, and we can't really see that with Cardano at the moment. We've even broken below this diagonal support line, and it sort of confirms what I said, that it is struggling. Cardano is struggling with no doubt, but I'm still so bullish on Cardano, and I will always be, because this project is just fantastic. It's just amazing. And what we can see, that it's just getting started, guys. It's only a few days away and we will have smart contracts. So there will be more bullish movement. No doubt there will be. And of course, we haven't seen the all-time high yet. There will be another all-time high and another one and another one. So it's just struggling a little bit at the moment. But my hopes are, if Bitcoin breaks through the 52,000, that then we will continue that move to the upside. I mean, to be honest, it didn't look too bad today. We were continuing this move to the upside again. but then Bitcoin just broke down. So unfortunately, Cardano suffered a little bit as well. So it just needs some patience. I'm not going to sell. I keep doing my dollar cost averaging. I think of all the projects, I mean, even Algorand, which is breaking out now, which I talked about as well before it broke out. These are all, really impressive projects. But Cardano, for me, it just has that, it has everything it needs. It has everything that is needed to become really the new, let's call it number one, of the DeFi sector, of the NFT sector, of smart contracts. It just has everything. So for me, and it's just getting started. I mean, we've just doubled, tripled actually the value within just 4 weeks. Within 8 weeks, maybe less. We've actually tripled the value from $1 to nearly $3. And this is still just getting started. We don't even have smart contracts yet. So let's just see what happens. What we said before, we just need to get above this 292 level, which is the lower end of this resistance support zone here. We just need to get through it. Bounced off a few times from there. It hasn't really acted as support yet. Here it was, but really it is acting as resistance at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And we just want to get above that. That's what we need to do. You need to watch out for this level 292. We need to get above it again. We attempted actually to get in there yesterday evening, UK time. Now, if we don't get there, we might continue to trade sideways for a while. But we've got a lot of support levels up here, strong support levels at 270. Actually, 280 is the first one. Then we've got 270. Then we've got the 255 and 245 levels. So there are a lot of support levels that we have here. And I think we just might need a bit more patience. And to be fair, it looked like that Bitcoin was rolling over as well. And now we've made suddenly a new high. So it's not always, that clear. If we start to roll over and lose momentum, it doesn't always mean that, it's already starting to roll over. I mean, we can see that here. We were, probably need to zoom out a little bit. Just need to go back to the daily, maybe. That's a bit better. And then our premium, then we'll see it a little bit better. So we go zoom in a little bit. I mean, you can see that back here actually when we made the all-time high earlier this year. It was just starting to roll over. You could see that it was losing momentum. And we've got that curve again here. So it is still, it could still be a bit like that, but we've now made a new high, a new local high. So we're continuing that journey to the upside, luckily. And that could happen with Cardano, of course, as well. And again, nobody knows what will happen after the 12th. For me, it is, yes, even if there might be some profit taking, I think that will be bought up very quickly, and people will realize, now that we have smart contracts, the use case is there anyway, but it's now real. We will see all these transactions and everything. So that will be very exciting. Can't wait for it. Very exciting week for Cardano holders. Very exciting. Probably one of the most exciting weeks that we've ever had. The only other week which will be more interesting will be next week, when it is all going live, and it's all gone live by then. So, all right. So hopefully you liked that update video. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.